This is Julia Aamodt's recipe for Saarma, Croatian stuffed cabbages. In a large bowl, mix your beef, your ground pork, the uncooked rice,
You want our soup thick. You want it to be thicker or you want it to be more, well,
salt,
it'll be okay.
and if you like, a little pepper, and the onions and garlic. Mix by hand until thoroughly incorporated. Remove the cabbage leaves from the cabbage. If you boil the cabbage, they are more pliable and will come off more
The cabbage is
easily.
in the freezer, so it's partially frozen.
You can also freeze the cabbage, but it does not work quite as well. Take about 3 to 4 ounces of the mixture. Put it in the cabbage leaf and roll tightly. Take 1 jar of the sauerkraut and put it in the bottom of a large pan. Add the stuffed cabbages and pack them in tightly. When all the cabbages are packed in, add the second bottle of sauerkraut to the top with some sliced pepper rings. Add a half cup of tomato juice. Add enough water to the pan to bring the water level to the top of the stuffed cabbages. Cook at a simmer for 2 hours.